In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export animated GIFs using Canva. This is a simple and efficient way to enhance your digital content with eye-catching visuals. Whether you're a marketing professional, a teacher, or just someone looking to spice up your presentations, knowing how to create animated GIFs can be a valuable skill. Now let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Canva dashboard. If you've already got that open, great. If not, take a moment to log in and navigate to the document where you'd like to create your GIF. You can start with a new document or choose an existing one that you wish to animate. If you're new to Canva, simply type Canva into your search engine and you'll find the official website right there at the top. Once you're in, locate the specific Canva document where you're planning to create your animated masterpiece. Now, once you're in your document, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is your treasure trove of visual components, including graphics, shapes, photos, and more. It's where Canva really shines, offering you a vast library of content to make your project pop. To find what you're looking for, use the search bar within the Elements tab to input keywords related to the animation you have in mind. Look specifically for animated elements or stickers that catch your eye and start adding them to your project. This part is all about creativity, so feel free to experiment and see what fits best with your vision. After you've got your elements designed and they're animated the way you want, it's time to save your work as a GIF. Look to the upper right corner of your Canva interface and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. This is where you'll choose the file format for your download. It's important to change the file type to GIF since that's what we're going for today. You'll also want to make sure you're selecting the specific page or pages you've worked on, especially if your document contains multiple pages. Once everything looks good and your settings are in order, click Download. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you now have an animated GIF ready to use for whatever purpose you have in mind. Whether it's for a presentation, social media post, or simply for fun, this process makes it quick and easy. Thanks for tuning in today, and we hope you found this guide helpful in unleashing your creativity with Canva. Keep exploring and experimenting, and soon you'll be a master of creating engaging, animated content. Happy creating!